this example is just like the last. So we're revolving it around now a horizontal axis other than the x-axis, which is y equals 2. So it's still the same formula. We're going to go ahead and go with the integral from a to b of pi r squared. So we got to, in respect to x, because it's a horizontal axis, so what we got to do is we got to figure out what is our radius. So our radius is going to be the distance from here to here. It's going to be that distance. That's r. So that's going to be equivalent to 2 minus our function. So we're going to have pi integral from 0 to 2. Fortunately, once again, they gave us our bounds. It's horizontal, so we're going with the x values. And then r is 2 minus 2 times x minus 1 squared. And then it's r squared, so we got to square that. And then dx. From there, we just got to evaluate it. So the setup was pretty simple. It's just going to be the 2 minus this function. So we got to now just, evaluate that. So how would you evaluate that? I'm trying to think if you could use a u substitution on this. Yeah, I think the easiest way is just going to be to expand this out. And then we'll have 2 minus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 1. And that's going to be 2 minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 2, which is going to be negative 2x squared plus 4x squared. And then we got to go ahead and square that. So that's going to be negative 2x plus 4x times negative 2x plus 4x. My bad, these are squared. So that's going to be 4x to the 4th. Minus 8x squared minus 8x squared, so minus 16x squared. And then, x to the 3rd plus 16x squared. And then it's integrating from 0 to 2 with a pi out front. Dx, and I could factor out another 4 from that. So 4 pi, integral from 0 to 2 of x to the 5th minus, not x to the 5th, I'm kind of integrating ahead of myself here, minus 4x cubed plus 4x squared. So that's 4 pi times x to the 5th over 5 minus x to the 4th plus 4 over 3x cubed from 0 to 2. So that's 4 pi times 2 to the 5th over 5 minus 2 to the 4th plus 4 over 3 times 2 cubed minus 4 pi times 0 to the 5th over 5 minus 0 to the 4th plus 4 over 3 times 0 to the 3rd. Which fortunately that just zeroes out. And then we have 2 to the 5th. That's going to be 32 over 5. Minus 2 to the 4th is 16. 2 to the 3rd is 8 times 4 is 32 over 3. 4 pi times that. I really don't know why you guys chose to take calculus. This is a very long problem. And so get your common denominators, which I'm going to leave that up to you guys, and finish out that problem.